Ay, nako. Until now, you're sitting playing with that computer. I told you to wash the dishes. How many times do I need to tell you? After eating, you wash the dishes straight away. Ay, nako. Mama, let me finish the game, please. Just 10 minutes, then I'll be done. Then I'm going to do it, promise.
Dude.
Just give me 10 minutes more, please.
Come on.
After 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, and after an hour.
Ay, ma. This child, all they want is just to play the computer all day, coming from school, they don't even change their uniform, go to play, eat and go to sleep. What's wrong with these kids? Anak, please, all I'm asking is just 10 minutes, then I'll be done.
Come on.
What time? You don't wait for Christmas to wash the dishes. How many times will I need to tell you? What is the time now? You stand up there and you go. Go, Mama, please. Just give me 10 more minutes, please. I'm nearly done. I need to finish this. Promise, I'll do this, then I'll do the dishes. You know, in the Philippines, when we were young, we do everything, even without the parents telling us. Look at you. Everything needs to be said. If you don't listen to them, they will hit your bum with a sleeper. And you don't let me do that to you. But Ma, you can't do it here. That's abuse. You're not allowed to do that. What abuse are you thinking about? They call it discipline. That's how we were disciplined in the Philippines when we were young. Mama, this is not Philippines.
Come on.
You're not allowed to do it here. Otherwise, you'll get arrested by the police. Of course, you don't get hit if you listen to your parents. If you obey your parents, you don't get hit. They don't just hit you for no reason. Anong abuse pinagsasabi mo? Ay, nako. Would I be even here if I wasn't disciplined in the Philippines? If I didn't listen to my parents? Ay, nako. Dami mong alam. Grabe kayong bata. Gusto nyo lang kumain, matulog at maglaro? Ay, naku, naka-high blood. Sige na, you go and wash the plato.
Come on.
Anak, did you just dabog? Sorry, Mama, it was an accident. Ay, dami mong alam, ah. Did you dabog? I didn't do it in purpose. You don't do that. It was an accident. You know, I didn't even do that to my parents when I was in the Philippines. You know, anak, if you do that in the Philippines, we would get punishment.
Come on.
Well done, Anak. Very good. So when you finish that, you can continue your assignment, stop playing computer, you do your assignment, and then you go to bed at 9 o'clock.